Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of PHP testing, specifically focusing on test-driven development. Get ready to learn how to build reliable code through TDD principles. So, what exactly is test-driven development? It's a software development approach where tests are written first, before the actual code implementation. This might sound backwards, but it's a powerful technique. The test-driven development cycle consists of three main stages. The first stage is red, where you write a failing test. The second stage is green, where you write just enough code to make the test pass. The third stage is refactor, where you improve the code structure and design without changing its behavior. Test-driven development offers many benefits. First, it leads to better code quality with fewer bugs and more reliable software. Second, it promotes improved design, resulting in cleaner and more modular architecture. Third, it contributes to faster development by reducing debugging and rework time. Finally, tests serve as living documentation, providing clear code examples. When it comes to PHP testing, there are two popular tools available. The first tool is PHPUnit, the most popular PHP testing framework and considered the industry standard. The second tool is Pest, a modern and elegant testing framework that is focused on Laravel projects. Let's look at a simple test-driven development example. First, write a failing test. In this example, we are creating a test to check if the calculator adds numbers correctly. Next, make the test pass by writing the simplest code possible. Here, we define a calculator class with an add function that returns the sum of two numbers. Here's how to set up PHPUnit for your projects. To install, use Composer require dev.unit/punit. You can check the version using /vendor/bin/PHPUnit version. To run tests, use /vendor/bin/PHPUnit. To target specific tests, use /vendor/bin/PHPUnit test/ or /vendor/bin/PHPUnit filter test method name. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using test-driven development. First, keep tests simple by using one assertion per test method. Second, ensure fast execution because tests should run quickly. Third, use descriptive names for clear test method names. Finally, always follow the cycle of red, green, and refactor. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.